Assalamu alaikum my dear student. Today we will be having the fourth IT practicals which is used to create a web page for a video. Okay. Earlier what we have seen, use a video on web page using HTML5. Create a web page named video.html to display a video. Now your file on web page and plays automatically with controls. The dimension of the video area should be 150 into 150. What I given video with, I have given 150, height equal to 150 and controls. Now again what I will be going up with auto play. Okay, just I have put it up auto play. Then I have taken this source. Again I am showing how you will be taking this source. What you will be doing, wherever the file is, now my file is on F drive, so I have taken the file from the F drive. Let me show you. See, this is my file on F drive. Okay, here this is the video. I just copied here what I have given, gone with the properties. Okay, here I have taken the path. It is direct path. Just I have taken this, copied it. Okay, and then I have just moved here, paste here, and whatever the video, again I am going there. See here, this is my incredible, it is written. I just copied that and dot whatever the name of the video dot mkv whatever that I have copied and just put it. Now in second part of that I have seen source src movie. This I have not created, put it, I am deleting this. Otherwise what I will be doing, again showing these things. But just what we will be doing, taking this type of things. Okay, incredible, and just copy it, putting it here, control V. Okay, and dot video dot og. Now what here, this is the content we are writing here. We are closing all the tags, video tag. For everything we have a video tag. Also we are having the tag container tag. It is also a container tag which consists of on and off. Body already we have done up. I have directly written with the without the head. If you want a head, well and good, just I put it here, HEAD head. Title I have given as video. Okay, I have closed the title. Okay, see here, spelling mistake also will be the main issue here, so I just close this. Okay, and I am closing my head. Okay, just have closed the head and just write. In the body I will be writing head body BG color. Now see here, no space should be there, so what I have given, body BG color equal to LIGHT light green. Okay, inverted commas, close, everything is closed. Now one more thing I will be adding here is that instead of here it is told you 150 pixel 150, I will be adding that pixel into more than width into more than. What I will be giving it 400, see 400 into 400 I am putting, not I am putting 150, you can't put it, but 400 into 400. File I will be going as save as. Okay, I am putting a video dot HTML and saved. Yes, I will be already it was saved, but just I have replaced it. Now I will be closing this and showing you what will be showing you up. Just I will be opening the browser. Wherever my file is, I will just opening that file. Okay, so that it will be showing. I just click on this browser of Google Chrome. Now let me see. This is what we are having. Okay, here autoplay is not going. Sometimes autoplay is not be playing. So what I will be putting in. Now see here, everything is there. Here you are having all the control. See here, your picture in picture. Just put it here. It will be showing here. Okay, just closing here. It will be going here. Okay, everything is there. Means this is how we will create the HTML file. This is how now I will be running it in different browser. What I will be doing here, I am going in this, okay, wherever my file is saved, open with, let me see in each browser it is working or not. I will be going with the Internet Explorer. Now see here, what it has Internet ActiveX is not there in my Internet Explorer. That's why it always block the content. Just I will be allow the block content. Okay, and now see here, it automatically play. This means in Internet Explorer it will be automatically played. Means where in a Google Chrome you have seen it is not automatically played. Why? Because some of the things what we see in the Internet Explorer is not be there for the Google Chrome. So better understand the concept of HTML and why we are going with the cross browsing, so that we see whether these files are playing or not. Okay, this is how we are running with the, this is how we are going with the video. Okay, now just I will putting this one as in a comment, so that I will make you understand everything. Now, and every concept should be understandable. So what I am doing it in a comment, I am going up, and this is my asterisk. Okay, putting it in a asterisk. Okay, and I am putting this on here. Let me see what it will be doing. Save. Okay, and then I am putting it and just running that file again. It's everything you should try it up so that it will help you to understand. Now see here, the file is not played because the file is not supported by .org, as this file is on. If you want to support, what we have, every time we are seeing the browsers, sometime we'll be playing, sometime you will be saying that this browser is not active. So this is the main concept we should understand in video. Okay, I just highlighted you with this. Now let me see whether it is playing in the Internet Explorer. I just opened it. Okay, I'm putting it here. Again I allow the block content. See, that file is not played. Did you have seen? No file is there. Means that it is not able to play in .ogg. Okay, so sometime it will be that all the files will be playing up, or sometime it will not be. As it is not supported up, that's why the file is not been found. Sometime it will be showing you, and now understand about this concept so that it will help you to learn HTML. And please note down each and every part of that coding. And further, when we are having more lectures and more things, any problems are there, you should go and give a comment to us so that we can improve the way of how to learn. As we are going with the e-learning, today's in our world, we are very quickly want to learn everything. So we are basically rely on the internet. So better go with this type of coding and start learning it, and start doing it on your computer or on your mobile handset is there. Android mobile, it is having also HTML+. So start applying it and start writing this coding and start applying all the concept. Now this is one of the next concept we will be going with. Just I have gone with save. As it is already saved. The next concept what we are learning with, we will be going soon with this type of application, how to create a form with 2 pages. So when it will be started up, I will be showing you. So hope you will be able to understand this, how the video and audio file. In the previous video I have shown you the audio, and in this video I have shown the video file. Okay, see, automatically it is shown you, it will be playing. So please go with this coding. Should I show you that coding again? So let me show you this coding step by step. You understand the coding and it will be able to make you understand each part of it. So what I have given HTML head, I have given top. This is not applied. I just directly you can write it from HTML till body. Okay. Now what I have given background, I have given so that it should look like plain. It is white was there, so it was not able to, the concept was not clear. So I made it light green. Then what? Next, whatever the width I have given, it is having 150 pixels, so I have given 400. And the pixels you can put it up. I have given width 400, height 400, and control auto place. This all thing you have to write it up and make it, applied it, and just run the application. It will help you to understand the way how the files are working. Hope you are able to understand the concept of the file. So please go through the video and write it on your book, and then start applying it on the your computer. Type the coding and start running it, so that it will help you to understand more and more how the coding is working. Hope you are able to understand. Please subscribe our channel, so that whatever in future new videos will be there for you to learn, not for that's just for having a fun, for you to learn, so that it can apply you for your higher studies. Jazakallah khair. Ameen.